study, I joined Sanskar workshop. I learned prayers, daily regimen, yoga, meditation, and I also read books like Ramayan, Mahabharat, and Gita. I loved the workshop a lot, and I learned a lot from it. Thank you.
Namaskar friends, this is Sandhya here. Learning Vedic Puranic wisdom through epic tales of Ramayan, Mahabharat, Panchatatra is like a sowing Sanatan seeds. There are several emotional, intellectual aspects to incorporating Sanatan Dharma wisdom into child's formal teaching. The ancient wisdom enriches the experiences of life as Sanatan Dharma has been the foundation of wisdom since time immemorial.
I recently attended a transformative Sanskar Shiksha workshop that is blended with physical, spiritual, and intellectual activities, offering a holistic journey into Hindu philosophy. The class started with traditional prayers and chanting, creating a serene atmosphere. We learned the importance of each prayer connecting with the divine and finding inner peace. The highlight was the Mahabharata sessions, where the instructor provided deep insights into historical context, key characters, and moral lessons. The storytelling was engaging and thought-provoking. The lesson ended with invigorating yoga lessons, guided by the knowledgeable instructor. These sessions improved physical flexibility, strength, and mental calmness. The workshop was well organized, and the supporters were knowledgeable and approachable. It was a wonderful opportunity to deepen my understanding of Hindu teachings. I left feeling refreshed, spiritually enriched, and with a greater appreciation for the Mahabharata's wisdom. I highly recommend this workshop to anyone interested in Hindu philosophy, yoga, and traditional prayers. Thank you.
Jizamata Shivaji Maharaj mother hired Krishnaji Pant to teach Sanatan knowledge and wisdom to Shivaji Maharaj when he was very young. Jizamata ensured Shivaji Maharaj received holistic training to build his physical, emotional, mental, spiritual development. This teaching helped Shivaji Maharaj lead his army and ministers and lay a strong foundation for Maratha Empire. That teaching helps the child explore spiritual and religious connection and experiences. An individual can be inspired by exploring and experiencing their own life stories or those of others.
I'm Kasumi and I'm going to share what I learned through this class for the past few weeks. This class is very enlightening as I have learned more about my duties as a person, such as my duties as a daughter, a friend, and more. I also learned new yoga poses, which are quite relaxing. Additionally, I learned how to recite many mantras along with their meaning and their power. I was also told very interesting stories such as Ramayan, which shows the importance of dedication, determination, and teamwork. It also shows the beauty of true love in some aspects of the story. We are now learning about Mahabharat, which has many characters which can be confusing at first. However, we were told to make a family tree, which has made things much simpler and easier to understand in the story. And not just that, the story also has a quite interesting plot, which I'm looking forward to learning about more in the future lessons. Thank you.
You must ensure that a child's life does not become an empty garden where no one cares to plant the seeds for flowers and fruits to blossom in future. In order to flourish Sanatan wisdom, we must sow a seed of Sanatan knowledge before outsiders sow theirs. If you want to see your child become an outstanding leader, impart the Sanatan knowledge. If you want your child to have a strong mental emotional balance, inculcate Sanatan wisdom. If you want your child to lead a focused and content life, teach them the value of karam and dharam. If you want your child to navigate life's complexity, introduce them to ancient wisdom. In order to contribute to the society, you should set a strong foundation for your children and teach them all these things. We are covering all this teaching in Sanskar Shiksha that consists of 3 weeks workshop. We are conducting in person and online in Tokyo, Hong Kong, and rest of the world. If you want your child to attend this Sanskar Shiksha, please use the link below to complete the form. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.